Hello everyone, welcome back to our KCET Max Revision Marathon. Our next question is based on permutation. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 6, 7 and no digit appears more than once? Let us solve this question using permutation concept. To solve such questions, see here they have mentioned 5-digit telephone numbers. So first we will write 5 dashes, so this will represent 5 digits, and it is we are supposed to start each and every number with 6, 7. So first two digits are fixed, no digit is appearing more than once. So totally from 0 to 9 we have 10 digits. There are 10 digits from 0 to 9. In this, these two digits are taken, therefore remaining are 8 digits. In this remaining 8 digits, I need to take any 3 digits to put it here in this number. And they have not mentioned like even number or odd number. So the answer is out of 8 digits, we have to take 3, which is 8p3, which is 8 into 7 into 6. This is answer. Or in other words, if you have to directly solve it, there are 10 digits out of which 2 digits are already used here. So 8 remaining digits are there. In that you can you have 8 different choices for this digit, and then you have 7 choices for this, and then you have 6 choices for this, because digits do not repeat. 8 into 7, 56. 56 into 6 is 300 plus 36. Answer is 336. If you have more numbers here to multiply, you don't have to multiply it completely. What you can do is multiply every pair of product, every pair of numbers. See what is the last digit. Only that last digit you take it and multiply with the other numbers. That way you will know what is the last digit, and you can filter from the options available. So here 8 into 7 is 56, but I will take only 6, which is the last digit. Into 6 is 36. From that also I'll take only 6, which is the last digit. And among the options given, there is only one option with 6 as the last digit, and that is our answer. You can also eliminate the wrong options like this. If you have many numbers to multiply and if you don't have time to multiply, you can use this technique of finding last digit of a product to get the required answer. There is a link in the video description. If you're watching this video for the first time, you can join our WhatsApp group by clicking on that link. Also join the Telegram channel to get all these documents, notes and all that. And if you want me to explain in Kannada, let me know. I'll explain in a mix of Kannada and English. And also don't forget to put your comment about what topic you want me to concentrate on. See you in our next video. Bye bye.